So how's the switch going from Boxycharm to Boxycharm by Ipsy? So if you want to see, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe is at home with my mom and Bandit's hanging out with me, but you probably won't see him get into the frame. But I've got all the dogs here. So if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So I had to switch from the beautiful flowers in my background because there was just too many shadows. And in this seat, I can kind of have this up to help with that. So no pretty flowers today. But we do have Boxycharm by Ipsy. This is an icon month. So I get the Boxycharm by Ipsy from my daughter's account using her profile. Let's see what she got. You do get to choose 3 of the 5 items in this box, and they give you a list of choices. So not everybody gets the same choices. Sometimes, I think based upon your profile, they're going to give you different choices than other folks get. Here is your sneak peek. The theme this month is Return to the Wild. They do have some new mystery bags out, and this gives you some beauty hacks with products that may or may not be in your box. So one thing it's saying is with the nail polish, they're looking at this palette in particular, but I guess you could do this with any nail polish. You can, any eyeshadow palette, you can scrape a little bit into a clear nail polish to get some color. It says give it a good shake. At least 60 seconds, and you've got a matching mani color to whatever palette you're using. For oil absorption, it says you can press some powder. They're talking about the Ace Beauté one, but you can use, I guess, any powder on your scalp to absorb some extra oil. It goes over this particular palette, but you could do this with any. It says to mist your brush in some setting spray, and that will give you a little bit more kind of intense color because it will be lightly wet. I usually do that because I feel like that's going to put it on and set it. And for longer lasting lips, it says to lock in any lip color, place a tissue over your lacquered lips and dip a fluffy brush into your setting powder, then tap it onto the tissue. I have seen that, but I feel like most of the lipstick then comes off onto the tissue. I don't know. Tell me if you guys have tried this. In this box, the first item that they chose for Chloe is the Violet Voss Berries and Cream Dreams palette. She is going to really like this. She is more of a neutrals girl, so this is going to be right up her alley. And that is a $37 value. Next by Murad is their Essential C Toner. So this is enriched with vitamin C, and it's supposed to give you a lit from within look. It's a $42 value, and we love all toners here. There is how that looks. Next by Anastasia Beverly Hills is their Stick Blush, and this is in Pink Dahlia. And this was the first choice item. We have, it's a stick. You've got your blush color. And then on this side, you have your brush to rub it in. Next by Dallas and James is a Watermelon Dream Cloud Cream. This is a female-founded brand, and it is vegan. This is a lightweight moisturizer, and it says it has cloudberry and niacinamide, and it also has hyaluronic acid. So it's a good day cream, and watermelon really helps brighten your complexion. So if you do feel like your skin's getting a little dull, particularly, the winter time for me is a time where my skin gets a little more dull, but this is a great way to kind of brighten it up and get a little bit of shine back in it. So here we go. This is a $42 value. It's a light pink in color. It definitely has a very pleasant scent. Light watermelon. I wouldn't say it's a strong watermelon scent, but it is a very pleasant scent. And last by ABH is their cream bronzer. There we go. So I put it right there. And then that you're just going to work in, and you're going to get a nice bronzy look. And that is a $35 value. Next by Toy Co. is their Toy Factory Sunset blush palette. Now I was not going to add this on, but then I saw that it was enriched with squalane, and I thought, I want to give that a try. Squalane is the vegan form of squalene, and it's very, very good for your skin, very hydrating. And this little guy is a $40 value, probably because it is enriched with some nice skincare ingredients, because it's not huge. So there are the colors, super lovely. This one over here would definitely be like a good bronzer, because it's kind of a brown pink. Oh, it's very creamy. So there's that light pink. There's that orangey pink. Here's that bright pink. Oh, okay, that's maybe not then. The light ones you can't see as well, but super pretty. Super creamy. So I'm very excited that I decided to take a chance on it. For $12, I figured, you know, something to try. My next add-on is the CT Brazilian Glow Eye and Face Palette. So there is how that looks. And I just thought, you know, that's a nice little thing to bring into work and just kind of touch up if I need to. This is a $29 value, but again, I got it for $12. So I'm going to just pop that in my bag, bring it to work, and use it if I need to touch up. Next by Ciate is the Wonder Wand lipstick. This is a deluxe mini. It's $3.50. It is in the color Sunday. So there it is. And that's a great, great color. I love that color. And then last by Tarte. I was very intrigued by this product. This is the Maracuja Juicy Glow. So they have their lip product in this line, but this is a highlighter. See a little pump. Ooh, all right. So rub that in. You can definitely get a nice glow. And this was a $29 value. So I think this was a pretty good box as well. I really enjoy the products that are in here. Chloe is going to absolutely love that eyeshadow palette by Violet Voss. I think we're both going to enjoy the Watermelon Cloud face cream, and I think there's just some really great items in here, so super excited for it. All right, but let me know your thoughts. Was this the kind of box you would want? Is this something you would pay, minus the add-ons? Would you pay $30? If you saw this, you walked into Ulta or Sephora, and you saw this box with the, but for $30, you've got your moisturizer, a bronzer, a cheek blush stick, eyeshadow palette, and a toner. I would definitely buy that for $30, but let me know your thoughts. I think this was a good balance. Definitely there were more makeup choices in this box than there were in my box. I think that goes, some people tell me, oh well, I'm the same age as you and I get these same choices. I don't know what's wrong with my profile then, because I don't usually get the same choices as she does. In the mini Glam Bag, I do, but in this, I feel like she gets more makeup forward and I get more skincare forward. But I don't know. I do put in my profile, I like a mix of both, because I don't want to stop getting skincare, and I want to mix. So I want like a 50-50 blend. I think this was a good 50-50 type of blend. Okay, well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.